Hi all, in this video, let's learn about converting into standard SOP. How to convert the expression to standard SOP, that means sum of products. Here, you need to understand the rules. Okay, here we know that A plus A bar is equal to 1. Okay, here standard SOP means all all variables must be present in every term. All variables must be present in every term. This is the first point. Rule number: use A plus A bar is equal to 1. Next, steps. Steps. Steps I will write here. Steps. First step is to convert to standard SOP. Find missing variable in a term. Second one, you need to identify which is the missing variable. You need to multiply with missing variable x plus x bar will take. Okay, you can take like this example. Next, third step, expand. Next, fourth one, repeat until all variables appear. Now let me explain with example. Example ಮೂಲಕ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. First example number 1, convert the normal SOP A B bar C plus A bar B bar plus A B C bar D into standard SOP. Okay, here let me write again. I will take it as y is equal to A B bar C plus A bar B bar plus A B C bar D. Okay, now here totally how many variables are there? Totally A B C D. There are 4 variables. Okay, there are 4 variables. Here in this first A B bar C, in this product, okay, A bar bar C, which is the missing term? D. Here, which is the missing term is CD, okay. Hmm? And which is the missing term? Here, all the variables are there, okay. Now, I will take it as first A, B bar C, D, D bar plus A, B bar. Now, first I will take here, first C bar, okay, C, C bar. Next here A, B bar, C, D. Next, let me, what happened? Here is equal to multiply A, B bar C, D plus A, B bar C, D bar plus A bar, B bar C plus A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, B, C bar, D. Now, okay, here next, here which is the missing variable? D. So, A, B bar, C, D, A, B bar, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C plus D plus D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus D bar plus A, B, C bar, D. Okay. Next, like multiply. No. Here you have to multiply. Right. A, B bar, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C, D, A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D. Okay. Next, let me write again is equal to A, B bar, C, D plus A, B bar, C, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C, D plus A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus next, here you take one item only, okay. Next, A bar, C bar, D bar. Next, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B, C bar, D. This is your final expression. Or here you can write it as like, I will show you. Or you can also solve like this. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. y is equal to a b bar c plus a bar b bar plus a b c bar d is equal to here a b bar c plus a bar b bar. Okay, here which is the common term here? C. So C plus bar plus A, B, C bar, D. Okay, here I'm first time taking this one. Here next A bar C plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B C bar D is equal to next which is the missing term here, D. A bar C D plus D bar plus next A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B C bar D is equal to, again multiply this one, A B bar C D plus A B bar C D bar plus, now here which is the missing term here, D. A bar B bar C, again take it as D plus D bar. Okay, plus A bar B bar C bar plus A B C bar D. Now again here is equal to A B bar C D plus A B bar C D bar plus, let's multiply A bar B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C bar, here which is the missing term here, D plus D bar plus A B C bar D. Okay, next multiply same ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ನಾನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ ಬಾರ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಬಾರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ ಬಾರ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಸಿ ಬಾರ್ ಡಿ plus A, B, C bar D, like this. Like this, this is your final answer. That means this is the standard SOP. Okay. Next, one more example. Convert the non-standard SOP function f is equal to xz plus yz into standard SOP. F is equal to xy plus xz plus yz is equal to here xy, which is the missing term here, z plus z bar. First of all, we need to understand how many variables are there, x, y, z, three variables. Okay, next here xz, which is the missing variable, y plus y bar plus yz, which is the missing variable, x plus x bar. Now simple multiply is equal to xyz plus xyz bar plus xyz plus xy bar z plus xyz plus x bar y z. Okay, next here xyz common, write one xyz plus xyz bar plus xy bar z. Okay, next plus this one same x bar y z. This is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, that means convert the non-standard SOP to standard SOP. Okay, next Next, okay, mean term. Next, next, let's study. Now let's study mean term. Mean term. Mean term. Okay. A mean term. A mean term is a product term. Is a product term where all variables are present. All variables are present in bracket in normal or complemented form. Complemented form. I will explain you with example. Here in mean term 0 is as 0 is nothing but complement. Same 1 is nothing but variable. Write variable as it is. Okay. Now let me, and also mean term it is represented in like this mi, small mi. Okay, small mi, small mi. Now I will show you. Let me show you with examples. Okay, here variables, mean term. Okay, variables is the, but here I will take it as a, b, c, mi. Okay, 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. I am writing in binary. 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now see, please observe here. Here 0 is nothing but complement. Okay, this is like take it as we represent in A bar, B bar, C bar is equal to M0. Okay, A bar, B bar, C. This is C. Okay, like this is equal to M1. Next, A bar, B, C bar is equal to M2. A bar, B, C is equal to M3. A, B bar, C bar is equal to M4. A B bar C is equal to M5. A B C bar is equal to M6. A B C is equal to M7, like this. Okay, that means we represent like this. Here A bar B bar C bar, 1 A bar B bar, 1 we call as C. Okay, this is we represent M0 M1 like this, M2 M3 M4 M5 M6 M7. Now here let me show one example. Find SOP mean term expression for canonical form F. Canonical form F is equal to summation M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M5. Here, by subtracting the mean terms in the above expression, we can get the below expression. See here is equal to, I will write here M1 in the sense here A bar B bar C. Okay, here see M1 A bar B bar C plus M2 A bar B C bar plus M3, this is M3 A bar B C plus M5, this one A B bar C, like this. Okay, now like this we have to find out. Next, in the next video, let's study about convert truth table into let's study about convert truth table to SOP expression. Convert truth table to SOP expression. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.